Hi, I'm Patrick Hollis, Executive Director and Curator of Mabry Hazen House.
Hi, I'm Kyle Dixon, Executive Director of Marble Springs State Historic Site.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam Maynard, Executive Director of James White's Fort, the beginning of the city of Knoxville, Knoxville's first home.
I'm Kelly Weatherly Sinclair, the Executive Director of Historic Ramsey House.
Hi, I'm Todd Morgan, the Executive Director of Knox Heritage and Historic Westwood.
And I'm Michael Jordan, Director of Marketing and Public Relations at Blount Mansion, Knox County's only National Historic Landmark. Happy Statehood Day! Did you know that June 1st is Statehood Day in Tennessee? That's right. It was on this day in 1796 when Tennessee was admitted to the Union as our nation's 16th state. Every year, around June 1st, the Museums of Historic Homes of Knoxville host open houses. We open our doors to you free of charge and invite you to come inside and see the places and hear the stories that make Knoxville and Knox County such a wonderful historic place to live. Well, this year, we've decided to offer a virtual Statehood Day. We're going to allow you to experience our homes from the comfort of your own.